Let's go over how you can change the color of the canvas using Inkscape. To accomplish this, we'll need to access the Document Properties menu. Come up here to where it says File and go to Document Properties. Click on the box right here that says Page to open up the color menu. And from this menu, you can change the color of your page, as you can see I'm doing here on my screen. Once you're finished, you can close out of the menu. And if you want to change the color of the workspace around the page, all you have to do is click on the box right here that says Desk. And when you open that menu, you can change the color of that as well, as you see me doing here. Once you're finished, you can close out of everything. And if you want to save this as the default setting for every time you launch Inkscape, all you have to do is save this as a template. So come up here to where it says File and go to Save Template. Choose a name for your template right here, and then check the box that says Set as Default Template before clicking Save. And now, every time when you launch Inkscape, it will launch with this format right here.